Bobrisky has packed his luggages to prison as court sentenced the cross-dresser over abuse of Naira. I was eagerly listening to Rescue by the video when I heard that our mommy of Lagos, Bobrisky, has gone to collect 2 portions of rice in Kirikiri immediately after Very Dark Man finished his own 2 portions. What happened? Very Dark Man was arrested by police after the online brawl he had with Bobrisky. He got darker and slimmer when he was released a week later. He came out and said he will not rest until they arrest Bobrisky because first to do no dey pain. Before VDM even offering light, EFCC had gone to arrest Bobrisky. They said he or she was abusing Naira, not Naira Marley, I mean the currency Naira. And this is the same Naira people are abusing every day in the club. But what do I know? Then the case proceeded to court where Bobrisky was charged with 6 count charges of money laundering and mutilation of Naira. They went to court and the court sentenced mommy of Lagos to 6 months in jail. If they leave VDM, if for throw party for this matter. But my own question is, which cell they go put Bobrisky? Male or female? Don't worry. They said they are going to put him in the male cell because he identifies as male in the court. And they are going to protect him against people where their eye they shook on top bomb matter. Immediately this issue got to the internet, a Twitter lawyer released a textbook on this matter. And here is the textbook you are seeing on your screen. But don't worry, you don't have to read all these things. I will go to the main point of the textbook. The main paragraph, which is the 2 paragraphs before the concluding paragraph, so that you understand what the lawyer is saying. And this is what it says. The chap must have offended someone powerful before, and they have been looking for an opportunity to nail him. Imposing the higher end of the sentencing guideline is unusual for a first-time offender who has plea bargained with the prosecution. Plea bargaining usually involves a sentencing recommendation to the judge. What was agreed upon with his defense team? Did the judge ignore the agreed recommendation to sentence him? Depending on the answer to this question and other factors, I see a solid case at the appeal court for a reduction in his sentence. His lawyer should appeal immediately. A major element of the law is proportionality, and in my opinion, this sentence is disproportional to the offense of spraying Naira note for a first-time offender. No aggravating factors are stated in the case to warrant more punitive punishment unless some other agenda is playing out here. For instance, where his lawyer told it will be a 6-month sentence recommendation in exchange for dropping a more serious money laundering charge, we don't know. Either way, it is a steep sentence for a first-timer. The textbook dropped by this lawyer on this matter has generated a lot of reactions, but I'll just take in just a few for you to read so that you can form your opinion on this issue. The first comment I have here says, but the truth is that the defendant has many charges against him, including a petition waiting for him at the police station from VDM. So either way, it's still going to be a long case for him or her. That is why our elder says when life is favoring you, you just have to tread carefully, because the same you do to get praise will be the same thing you will do to be nailed. My humble opinion. Another person said it is obvious, because why not give him the option to pay fine? Another person said, let's be sincere with ourselves. Bobrisky did not offend anyone in high position. The only offense I know he committed is transgender and cross-dressing. They don't want to arrest him directly based on cross-dressing. They have to use something else to arrest him and punish him for every offense he has committed. Another person says, this case is far beyond our own opinion and view. I think this case is indirectly pointing to a trans woman offense. And the last comment I have here says, yes now, no be just person he offend. He offend Nigeria. Transgender and cross-dressing na him offense. This is my take. I also feel that this is beyond just spraying of money or disrespecting Nigerian Naira or mutilation of Nigerian Naira. I think it goes down to wanting to hold him for other things they perceive about him, or they see him do that they perceive illegal, but they don't know, maybe it's not prescribed by the law to arrest him for it, so they just want to get to him. That's how I feel about this whole issue, because when it comes to money spraying, I think 80% of Nigerian population are guilty of spraying money like this. But if that is not why they are convicting him, please, they should come out straight and tell why they are, because as it is now, it seems like witch hunting. That's my own take on this. So what is your own take? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.